Now look at that sole, guys. It looks like gummies. You know those gummies, those yummy gummies? I think they remind me of that.
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Carol and today I want to show you something exciting because the last 3 videos I've done were a bit of sadness and tears and just a lot of pain that I have been going through over the last couple of weeks.
I'm going through a braces journey, and the first couple of months, of course, are a bit intense because I have had extractions done and I still have 2 more extractions to go. So I've done just a couple of things that were a bit painful, and I have taken you along with me.
So today I just want to do something happy, and that's about shoes. So if you're a shoe lover, you will love this video, so stick around. As I have been able to change my shoe wardrobe, especially the sneakers. I was suffering in that department, really suffering, and I have come up with a good collection that I want to show you. Some of them I have not even unboxed because I wanted to wait until I can show you the shoes so that you can enjoy the unboxing with me. And I am super excited about these shoes because they are very comfortable, and I feel so happy wearing these shoes. As you can see, the Skechers bag back there, it's full of shoes, and I want to show you all of them. So let's do this. Look at that, guys. I went crazy, right? So let me start off with the Skechers, the ones that I haven't unboxed because I was waiting to do this for you guys. So isn't she lovely? She is so pretty, and this is what she looks like. I love the way they've done the logo on the side there. For 9,500, which is $95. Look at that. Look at that. I hope my camera can focus. They look so pretty and lovely. I love them. The inside of the shoe is memory foam. As you can see, they are really soft on the inside. They literally feel like a cloud when you're walking around with them. They just feel so good walking around with them. And yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about this one. So I will style them for you to see how I will be styling them. One of my favorites. Look at that, you guys. She is so pretty, blush pink, and they remind me of gummies because of the sole. They are also memory foam. I think all Skechers sneakers are made of memory foam on the inside, I think, and that's a good thing because they feel like you're walking on a cloud. So if you have never justified the amount that you need to spend on a sneaker at a Skechers shop, I think you should try one pair first because they feel so good on your feet, and you feel, oh, it was so worth it to pay that amount. It's not cheap, but these shoes I think will last me a while, and they will feel so comfortable on my feet. I think it doesn't hurt to spend just a few more thousands to get the comfort that I get with these shoes. All right, so let me show you the interior. Of course, I've told you is memory foam. That's what it looks like, and this is what it feels like. And they are grayish and pinkish, and they're just so pretty. They gave me an extra set of shoelaces, white ones, so I can change these pink ones when I want to wear white, and I wear with these white shoelaces. Now look at that sole, guys. It looks like gummies. You know those gummies, those yummy gummies? I think they remind me of that. And also I love that the logo is on the side here, so that's another shoe that I love. This is my favorite from the Skechers collection. So what it looks like, kind of like a bootie or a sock sneaker, like a sock sneaker, like those Balenciaga ones. Yeah, that's the kind of style. And they come in different colors, but I loved this red one, this red and gray. Very beautiful color. I also love this band here. It's kind of glittery, of course, to help me wear the shoe comfortably, and it comes in many colors, but I loved this color so much. The sole is also beautiful, very beautiful. They're also made of memory foam on the inside. I love this shoe and I think I will appreciate it over time. I think this is one of my favorite. Now this one and the one I showed you earlier, this one here, let me just get it. These two each I got for 12,500. that is $125 each, so that's how much they were going for. I have worn this one a couple of times, but still looks as good as new because I know how to clean my shoes, and I also don't go to very dirty places with my sneakers because I don't like washing them every time. So that's what they look like. They're also memory foam on the inside, and they're navy blue, which is a color that I love. They're from Bata, and this one's like kind of like the same quality as the Skechers. They're a bit cheaper as compared to Skechers because this ones I got for I think 4,000 or 3,500 if I'm not wrong, and I got them from Bata Junction. Lovely shoe. They feel so comfortable when I'm walking around. Now these ones I got specifically for running and walking around because I was just tired of walking and running in shoes that were not comfortable. These ones I got them a couple of months ago, so I've worn them quite a bit, but they're still beautiful and they are worth coming on to this collection that I wanted to show you guys. So this is not an unboxing. This one I'm just telling you about. These ones I got them from Clarks. They were going for 6K initially, but I got them on offer for 2K. I love them. They're beautiful. They're white. I can easily wipe them. I can wear them with dresses. I can wear them with shorts. I saved the best for last because this one is a Clarks boot. I think it's a camping boot. I don't know. But they're really good. They're all weather boots. You can wear them when it's raining, when it's snowy, when it's sunny, when you're going for camping or for mountain climbing. They're really safe boots. I love these ones. They were a bit pricey because I got them for they were going for 21,000 at Clarks. Yeah, they were going for 21,000, but I got them on an offer, I think 50% off. I've gone with them some couple of places for overnight outdoor events. These ones are perfect for that. So these are the ones I wear. They're really warm on the inside and they don't soak your feet and you keep warm all the time. So this is a good investment. And if you love outdoor activities, or you love camping or mountain climbing, these are the shoes for you. You should go and get yourself these from Clarks. I don't know if they have them now, but I know you can get similar ones like this. These ones are pink. Let me bring them closer. You see, they are pink and brown, and I love the combination of brown and pink. I don't know if you can get this now because this was the last pair I got at that point when I was buying them. I have a small foot. That's my luck, but I'm sure they still have this kind of shoes there. So that's my shoe collection. I will style some of them for you guys to see so that you can tell me what you think. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, you are gonna be missing out. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me from here on. All right, so let me style these ones and then we'll talk in the next video.
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. hope you'll come back to me. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. For you. For you. I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it